Hey sisters! Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today we are going to be doing James Charles looks.
He is a huge makeup YouTuber, and we thought it would be fun to try to recreate some of his Instagram looks.
This is the one I'm doing.
And this is the one I'm doing.
I don't know how she's gonna do that.
It's gonna be interesting.
Very.
We tried to pick like really colorful hard looks.
We actually have the James Charles palette right here. So we're using the exact palette he is. Oh,
So-
and I have my mom here today.
Oh yes, hi.
My mom is starting to post more videos on her channel, so go check out her channel. We'll link it in the description box below.
Yes, and you might see a cute little Daya. And make sure you guys go check out the Daya Daily t-shirts.
I'm not wearing them right now because it wouldn't match with my outfit very well.
Yes. But we'll link that down below too.
Oh, by the way, my friend just said to shout her out. Peyton, shout out.
So I'm gonna start off with Max Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And what this is gonna do is it's just gonna create a sticky base for all these colors to stick to.
So I'm putting it where all my eyeshadow is gonna be, because as you can see in the picture, he has it that goes out like a cat eye. So.
Now that we have a base, I'm going to start off with the crease. I don't even know where to begin with this, to be honest. I'm gonna take a white fluffy brush. I'm gonna start off with the yellow color first. And that's going in the inner corner.
All right, so in my picture, I think I'm gonna start here and work my way out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the blue and purple. Actually, blue, then white, and then purple. Yeah, we're using makeup artist stuff.
Yeah.
These are the Jeffree Star brushes that we're using.
Now I'm using the orange to fade into the yellow. So we're using the lighter orange in the palette and then doing the darker orange and then the pink and then the purple.
There's purple? Oh yeah, there's purple. For some reason he looks like a pumpkin. I don't know why.
I'm basically using different brushes for the different colors. And his kind of goes all the way up to his eyebrow. So, and now I'm taking kind of the darker orange and layering that next.
Here's another Jeffree Star brush. My mom just bought a bunch of them, so.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, his has kind of a cut crease that sort of like wings out, so I'm gonna try to do that.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
You'll see. I'm gonna use another white fluffy brush.
I'm not using the James Charles palette right now, but I'm gonna use Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection, and I'm using Stardust right here. I'm using like a shimmery white because on the inner corner of his eye, he has some white here. I'm using Max Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit here. I did about 3 sprays, depending on how big your brush is, you can do more, but I only need a little bit. If you're wondering what it does, it makes the color show up better and brighter. And this one I need it for because his is like a really shimmery white. So, and I'm using another Jeffree Star to blend it.
Okay, what do we think? She broke it!
I didn't break it! I opened it, I grabbed it, and it. Well, I'm gonna use a mini brush.
Now for the other eye.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer on top of my blue because his blue is shimmery too, so.
Shimmer it up. Like shimmer and shine.
Oh yeah, guys, if you want us to do another shimmer and shine, give this video a thumbs up. And go to my Instagram and comment, do another shimmer and shine, do another shimmer and shine, with a blue heart and a pink heart. Yeah. Now I'm going to use this brush. It's like a thin, small brush. It's not turning out very well, but I'm using some of Crystal because this is like a blue shimmer color. Okay, this isn't looking too bad. So now I'm going to kind of fade it into a darker blue.
So here's the part that will get tricky for me. So then basically this color is just mimicked as liner too. So we're gonna try to make this liner as well. Got yellow on this inner corner.
I'm gonna do some light blue again here.
To the darker orange.
For some reason, it sounds like I'm at my grandma's house because at her house, there's a clock that goes tick, 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 tick. And I hear a clock over there going tick, tick. So it sounds like grandma's house. I'm gonna add a little bit of darker blue. Add on some crystal. Then, gotta go.
Now into pink. So I'm gonna kind of clean up this wing in a minute. So it's okay that it looks kind of chunky and weird right now.
And then I'm going on with some of that Stardust again. Wrong brush. All right, now I have to do the purple. So then it goes like into a dark purple. I'm gonna use a dark blue here. And I'm taking this dark blue. I'm kind of gonna mix it with a black so that it's dark.
So now I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm just going to sharpen.
I just made it darker and now I'm blending it in with the lighter blue. Okay, now it's time to mix in the purple. Actually, guys, before I start.
Okay, now I'm just, again, creating the same look underneath the eye too.
Here we go. So we take some tape here. Gonna kind of get it a little bit not sticky so it doesn't hurt my face. Here we go. And I'm gonna bring it up to about here. So that's where I'm gonna put it. And I'm gonna kind of mix this dark purple, blue. I'm using black, purple, black, blue. Then I kind of fades it into a purple. Where's my little brush here? Okay. Then I'm adding some light blue. Okay, now we can go to our purple here. So it's now going into a wing where my purple is going, so.
Same colors underneath. Oh, these are all falling apart. Not okay, Morphe.
Then his purple goes under his eye here. Now I'm gonna take, I kind of need like a dark blue, so give me like a really dark blue here. Then it kind of, the purple.
Okay, I think my eye portion is done, except for the splatters that I'll have to do. He's got some like lines coming down and stuff, so that's what we're gonna do.
Alrighty, guys. So see how there's kind of like a lot of stuff on my face here? There's a lot. Well, we're gonna fix that in just a minute. I'm gonna get my light blue again because it's kind of going away.
We just want to kind of make it look like paint splotches.
But now I'm going to actually take a fluffy brush here. This one will work, and I'm just going to wipe off all the powders. And if that doesn't get it all, you can just use a makeup wipe.
Okay, so then he's got kind of a little thing across his nose and around his face everywhere.
We're going to take this off now. And now see how it's like super straight and his is kind of like blended. We're going to add a little bit more.
All right, we're gonna start. He's got some yellow on this side, so we're just gonna kind of splotch it on there. I'm gonna snatch my nose first.
So I'm using pink and I'm using the purple. So I'm kind of blending these colors together. Kind of a lot. so I'm gonna trim it down a little bit.
Just kind of want this to look like a smear, I think. So that's kind of what we're going for. Okay, there's my nose. I can't really see the other side of his face, but I'm guessing it's probably just going from like yellow in the middle to orange.
Pink and purple.
Yeah. So we're just gonna start layering on the yellow first, not the orange. Okay, there's the yellow into the lighter orange. I like this because it's like a sunset almost.
Go back to that pink and purple.
The cool thing about these looks is he does such colorful, fun looks that they're just like art. Pretty art. He even goes up into his ears, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna keep it.
Yeah, honey.
And then into the purple.
Blending it along.
Just keep blending.
Blending. Can't do the little blending brush. So you guys, this brush is the size of my forearm. If I ever break my arm and don't want to bend it, let's just get a makeup brush. Just stick
It could be your splint.
Makeup will forever be with me.
There's so many uses for it.
I know, like what if I need to touch up my makeup? I can just go like this. Or
Then it kind of does the same thing on the chin.
time to do the other side. Alrighty, here we go. On to the next side.
Same pattern, yellow, light orange, dark orange, pink, purple. Blending them together. This looks actually a lot easier than you would think, because it's just kind of like placing it.
Why did I do that? This side looks so happy and this side's like black eye.
Now for the lips, I'm gonna add some of this paint pot again.
Why?
Just to really make the colors pop. And then he's got yellow, orange, purple, all the things again.
Just blended the two darker colors together now.
Okie dokie, we still have some like drips that he has, so we're gonna add some more of those.
Time to start.
Okay, so he has some drips of this stuff, so what I'm gonna do you have the MAC Fix Plus, darling?
Right here.
Thank you, love. We are going to take the color, so we're gonna take yellow first, and we're gonna spray it.
I can only spray glittery
And
colors.
then we're gonna splatter it like he does.
Is that how he does it, Max Fix Plus?
I don't know. That's how I'm doing it.
Mine is face paint.
Oh yeah, see that looks more drippy.
Okay, now I'm going into my purple. Time for the tape.
Yeah, see how that kind of gave it like a drip look? So now we're just gonna kind of spread a lot of this. Just gives it a little bit more of a wet look. Do that with every color.
My mom's gonna finish her drips and I'm gonna finish this side and we will be back. Now I'm gonna clean up under my eyes with some concealer.
I'm just adding some mascara and then we're gonna pop on some false lashes to complete the look.
And I'm gonna add some lipstick. Alrighty, So I did that. Now I'm going to do some lipstick. Okay, so the lipstick that he has in this one, it's kind of plain. It's just like a nude color.
Nudie pink.
No, it's just nude. See that?
It's not like
Peachy
whitey nude though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add some lashes. These are the Nicole lashes from Makeup Geek. They're very, 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 very wispy.
Here's the final look.
I think we did pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you?
Yeah. Look at our James Charles looks.
These were pretty fun to do.
Mm-hmm.
He's a very, very talented makeup artist. So
Definitely.
doing these looks was really, really fun to try to recreate. This one was more of like a splotch art.
It's almost like slime just got
Yeah.
thrown on your face.
Now I'm gonna go out wearing this.
You are?
Well, I gotta take you guys to your dad. So people get to see my artwork.
They'll be like,
I'm actually gonna go probably get a coffee, and they'll be like, "Whoa,
Starbucks.
why not? Express yourself with art on your face."
Even the James Charles palette says express your art or whatever.
See?
Give this video a big thumbs up if you think we did a good job on these looks.
Oh yeah. Oh, you should definitely go over to Daya's Instagram and comment. Who do you think looks more like the original?
Mm-hmm.
I have my vote. Yours.
No, yours.
No, yours.
Yours.
No, I
Yours.
really think yours.
Mm-mm.
Totally.
Nope, yours.
Okay, you guys have to vote for us because we can't decide.
And we'll tell you in another video who won. So
Stay tuned.
thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are also having an awesome day.
Oh yeah.
And we will see you in my next video. Wait, first, subscribe, 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 subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up. Now we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So I'm gonna start off. You done?
Yes. Seriously, I can't see in my mirror now. Wow.
All right, can I borrow this?
Yes. And I'm going to use it.
What color? Purple?
Purple.
Perfect, that's what I need it for.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not sure what that was, but.
And I'm going to just put. There's glitter in my eyeballs. Yes, now you're dropping things.
Just trying to be like you.
You could also just spray Fax Mix.
Max.
Fax Mix Books.